In this video, we are going to study EVS chapter number 14, Baswa's Farm, page number 116. Till now, we studied children how the farm was prepared for growing onions. First, we saw how they dig the soil. Second step was how they sowed the seeds. Third step was how they removed the weeds from the crops. And then we saw how the crops are grown large and are ready for cutting. Now, children, the onion crop is ready. Everyone at home is happy. This time, the onions are big and healthy. So, children, this time they had a good crop of onions as they were big and healthy. Now, Amma and Auntie used the illage to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. Now, see, children, here you see a instrument called illage, and illage is a sharp and it is used to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. The illage is sharp and you have to be very careful not to cut your fingers. So children, only grown up people handle this instrument and children are not allowed to touch it. Now children, Appa and Uncle fill the sacks with onions. Now here you see the Appa and Uncle are filling the sacks with onion. Appa will take them in truck to sell in the big market. Now children, they pack the onions in the sack and sell them in a big market. Now children, we will answer few more questions. Why is Baswa not able to attend school for some days? Baswa is not able to attend school for some days as he needs to help his father with his field work. Now children, are there any fields near your house? What is grown there? Yes, there is field near my house. Crops are grown in that field. Crops like wheat, cotton are grown there. Now children, Baswa's Appa take the onions to the market in a truck. Think, how would fruits and vegetables be taken to another place if there were no proper roads? If there are no proper roads, we can't move the vegetables and fruits from one place to another. It is very difficult to carry fruits and vegetables if there were no proper roads. In the previous years, people carried fruits, vegetables, and crops to the market in bullock carts, boats, donkeys, etc. So, children, it is very difficult to carry fruits and vegetables to another place if there are no proper roads. Now children, what kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables? Draw a picture of one of these vehicles in your notebook. Now children, in ancient times, they used to carry fruits and vegetables in bullock carts, donkeys, etc. Nowadays, they carry fruits and vegetables on thela, in rickshaws, tempo, truck, tractors are used. Find out and write. Given here are pictures of some implements used by Baswa's family. Write the names of the implements. Also write what these are called in your area. What work are they used for? Now children, here we saw the different activities done on the farm. And for doing these activities, this different implements were used. Now children, first one is here. The name of this implement in the chapter is courage, and name in your area will be kudal. What is this called, children? Kudal in our area, and work done by this is plowing. Now children, here the second instrument you see is this. Name of this implement in the chapter is Kunti, and name in our area is also Kunti, and work done by it is digging. Now children, here the next implement that we saw in the chapter was this. Name of this implement in the chapter was Illich, and in our area it is called sickle, and work done by it is cutting vegetables or cutting crops. Now children, we saw many steps are needed to grow crops. Look at the pictures and mark them in the correct order. So children, we saw many steps are needed to grow particular crop. After going through all these steps, we get food in our hand. So let's see what are the steps. Now children, the first step is loosening the soil. This is the first step children. Second step is sowing the seeds. Third step is removing the weeds from the crops. Fourth step is cutting large plants. Fifth step is taking onions out. And sixth step is packing onions in sack. This is the final step children. So children, after going all these steps, we get food in our hand. So we should never waste our food, because it has gone through many people's hard work. So children, you should not waste food. You should always respect farmers and agriculture. Now children, the next is find out about a crop that is grown in your area. Also find out the steps that are part of this work. Draw them in your notebook. Now children, the crops grown in our area is wheat, maize, vegetables, cotton, etc. Now you have to write down the steps that are taken for the part of this work, and also you have to draw the picture of it in your notebook. Now children, here in this chapter we saw farming, steps of farming, and all the hard work they put to grow a particular crop we saw in this lesson. Children, hope you have understood this lesson. Children, here with this we end the lesson. Bye children. Have a nice time.